Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum in Binance app. It's really simple and easy. Open the Binance application in your mobile and then make sure to log into your account. And you have to make sure that your account is verified KYC or know your customer to allow you to make purchase. Then tap on these three bars in the top left corner and then you have to tap on this add funds here. Once your account is refunded, what you are going to do, you need to go to PTP or search P2P. So tap on this assets in the bottom right corner and simply tap on this spot and tap on this add funds. Tap on this P2P trading and then you will see this kind of interface. So you have to tap on this buy here and you have to select Ethereum from the results. Tap on this drop down here and in the search bar just simply search for this Ethereum and now you can easily buy Ethereum from these persons here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to buy Ethereum in Binance app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.